Hello, welcome to Amiga Alive. Today we want to make a quick installation and test of Volker Barthelmann's C compiler. It's a great compiler, and I think this is the quickest way ever to install a C compiler on your Amiga system. Note that this is really just about quick installation. It's not about C coding, and it's not about the full tool set or how to tweak your development environment to perfection. So, to get vbcc running, first we need to obtain vbcc. We can do so by pointing our web browser to its homepage at compilers.de/vbcc.html. This page will lead us to vbcc's Amiga support site, which is located at sun.hasenbraten.de/vbcc. As a side note, did you know that Hasenbraten means rabbit cooked in the oven? Anyway, if we scroll down the page a bit, we can see a list of files, and we need two files. One is the compiler and one is the so-called target, which contains some files required for the target platform. In our case, our compiler should run on our Amiga, and we want to compile for our Amiga. So we choose the Amiga OS 68K compiler archive, which you can see here at the top of the list, and we choose the M68K Amiga OS target archive, which you can see here at the bottom of the list. We save these files to our compact flash card for easy transfer to the Amiga, and we need a third file, a so-called native developer kit. The native developer kit, or NDK, is kind of the glue between your code and Amiga OS. It's free to obtain, so try your preferred internet search engine or get the NDK from one of the developer CDs, which, if in doubt, are available at archive.org. The NDK's version number should match your target Amiga OS version number. As you can see, this is NDK 3.9, so this contains everything required to create programs for Amiga OS 3.9. For our purpose here, a little test program, pretty much any version of the NDK will do, but note that vbcc's target M68K Amiga OS in fact means Amiga OS version 2 and higher. If you want to create programs for Kickstart 1, Amiga OS 1, you need a different vbcc target archive. Okay, we have what we need. Let's move over to our Amiga, insert the compact flash card, extract the archives, and install vbcc to hard disk. vbcc needs to know where the files from the NDK are located, so we'll extract these before continuing. The system header files are part of the native developer kit, and we need to point the installation program to their location. And this is basically it. We are done. Let's take a look at the results. Here we can see some of the folder's contents. And a bit of the configuration file. Well, this looks good, so let's just jump right in and give it a try and see if we can compile a program. VC is the compiler's program name, and there is something there, very good. We just need objects to link. So let's write a little hello world program. And then compile it. We just need to tell VC which configuration to use, in our case AOS68K, so it can create a proper binary for our desired target platform. Very nice, that worked. But so far this was only standard library C code. Let's now create something that uses Amiga OS functions, so we can see our newly installed compiler has proper access to the files required from the native developer kit. We get a nice empty full screen window as desired, proving that our vbcc installation was successful, and we can now compile a lot of programs for Amiga OS. By the way, If you want to know more about vbcc and its options, a manual in PDF format is included in the Docs folder. Happy coding, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again in another episode of Amiga Alive.